Today is for Uncle Jerry's first cooking show.
Welcome to the Uncle Jerry Show.
Today we're going to be making Roll Kuchen. It is a type of pastry. It's a German pastry, so it makes it even better. Of course, we don't have the ingredients with us right now.
Roll Kuchen in English is rolled cookie. Is rolled cookie, which makes no sense because Roll Kuchen, what we're making, it looks more like a pastry than a rolled cookie. And it doesn't even have sugar in it. The only thing that's going to be sugary is when we eat it later with syrup. Yeah.
This cooking recipe was passed down to my great-grandma, to my grandma, to my mom, and now on to me. There are 6 ingredients to make Roll Kuchen, and the first ingredients are 3 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. First, you want to mix your dry ingredients first. We're just gonna whisk it for a little while. Do as you please, how long you want to do it for. Alright, next we're going to combine our wet ingredients. First we'll start with the eggs. Jerry's usually a pro at doing this, but today's not his day.
Alright, next we're going to stir up the eggs so they can break up. One of them already broke because it broke inside the shell because I'm not good at cracking eggs. That looks pretty good. Nice yolky. Nice yolkiness. I think it looks pretty good. Okay. Just let that soak in there for a second. I'm going to add this. Just mix it up a tiny bit. Mayonnaise color, if you like mayonnaise. Next we'll add this. I want a lighter colored mayonnaise looking now. Or the same amount that looks like pancake mix. After you think it looks really good and mixed, then you want to combine the wet ingredients with the next dry ingredients so they can be not thirsty no more. Then you want to combine the two. Make sure you stir it good so it doesn't get really, really hard.
Now that the dough is mixed, we'll let it cool in the fridge for an hour. Then we'll continue from there. So the dough has been at least in the fridge for an hour or more. And basically now what we're going to do is we're going to roll the dough. We're going to turn it into small rectangles. And it's going to be easier if you put flour here so it's softer and doesn't stick to whatever surface you're putting on. So.
So now we're going to let the oil cook in the pan and then we're going to put the raw kuchen in it.
The finished product. So, may not look like my great-grandma's, but let's hope it tastes good. Some people like to have it with syrup, Or a lot of the time people usually have Roll Kuchen with watermelon. But we don't have watermelon, so we'll have the syrup then. See how good it tastes. It's pretty good.